Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to add user to LinkedIn ads account through LinkedIn ads. Let's begin. So as mentioned on my other LinkedIn tutorials, pretty much I mentioned there that LinkedIn is used to be just like primarily an online platform for professional network. If you would want to highlight your experiences, your work, your school, if you want to grow your professional network. So pretty much it's all about career until it has evolved to something that's really good for the business. And nowadays, it has grown to like a popular platform for those people who would be creating campaigns and if they wish to grow their business are actually using LinkedIn now. So let me introduce you to business.linkedin.com/marketing solutions, wherein you could have tons of choices for you to pick or choose what kind of ads, marketing efforts that you like to have for your business. So say for instance you've already created a campaign and then like you already own an account, you've already set up based on what your business needs. You could also check our other video tutorials. Just subscribe to our channel so you know how to set up your business profile or your profile in LinkedIn. So say you already have all this account and you wish to add a user. So I just actually have a screenshot, guys, of a sample account where you could actually add user. So say for instance you're able to complete already and sign up for a campaign manager and you're logged into your account. This is how it looks like. All you need to do if you wish to add user is go to manage access that's located in the left portion of the page, and then there's an option for you to add user. So once you have that, just tap on this one, okay, and then just assign the users that and then this just put a designated role for these users that you have for your account. Please take note that you could not create a successful campaign, or basically you do this if the users are not your follower, so they need to have an existing LinkedIn account as well. So that's it. I hope you learned something today. If you want to learn more about LinkedIn videos, you could always subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please hit on thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.